Hello guys again. From the code we previously worked, we're gonna add some changes to try being more realistic when distributing, when packaging software. Actually, I told you that we were building a package, but strictly, if we are strict to the technical term, we were actually just distributing a module. Now we're gonna properly wrap a package as a directory and with a init file that will tell Python that this is a package from the overall project. So now we're gonna open VS Code as we did before, but we're gonna do some changes here. First, we're going to add a folder here, which we'll call source src, which is the usual directory name for our source code, and we're gonna nest add package name here. Then we're gonna take this add function and drop right here inside add. Then we're gonna add here another file, which will be the file that tells Python that this is a package file. Here you could leave this without anything for most of the projects, but since we are dealing with imports and the use of third parties of our code, to make it more accessible, we're gonna write here some lines of code, actually one line of code, which is basically from add import all. Basically, that's what we need. You can save it. Then we're kind of ready to go. Actually, we need to do some changes here in the setup file. We keep the name, but now what we need to do is define package and call find package, which we didn't import here, so we need to import. So actually it's find package. I think it is like this, find packages. Alright. Where equals source. This will tell that the package will be nested within source. And here we can specify the name of our package here. Alright, we're good to go. Now we can do basically the same thing we did previously, which is get back one and run pip install over the parent directory of our project directory. So we can packaging, what's the name? Packaging Dist. Okay, so we can run this. I will install add. So we can see here that we still have the add previous add function. We could have made some changes here. Let's make an add function that actually add 3 numbers, just to make some changes. All right. So let's reinstall the packages. All right, now we should be good to go. Let's do the same thing we did the last time, which is get into Python 3 console and try adding. It won't work because we have not imported the function. So we'll here things will start to look a little bit different, because now we have a package. So actually, since we nested, like since we wrote this little from add.add import all, we will just need to say from add import add and use the 3 members addition sum that we previously wrote in our file. All right, that's it. Now we properly created a package. See you next time, guys.